Hello everyone. Today I have 6 affordable luxury ideas that are great for you for self-care or to gift to someone that you care about. I have also partnered with LilySilk for a portion of this video because what's more luxurious than silk? And I want to thank them for supporting my channel by offering me the opportunity to present some of their beautiful items with this sponsorship, but more about that later. So the first idea that I have today is personalization, because having something made specifically for you makes you feel special. And it shows someone that you gift an item like that to that you think they are special as well. So I have 2 items today from Pretty Picture Gifts. It's an Etsy shop and they personalize all sorts of things. But I happen to have personalized for me this compact mirror and this pill box, this beautiful pill box, which you can put any sorts of things. You can use this, you can take this in your purse, and I like to keep mints in there, vitamins in there, any medications, but you can also put this on your dresser and use it to store things like jewelry, like earrings and rings and things like that. So both of these are very well made. I've had them for almost a year in my purse, and as you can see, they are both in very pristine shape. And it just makes you feel special when you take something when you're out and about having lunch or dinner or whatever at a restaurant, and you open your purse and you take something like this out to check your makeup or to grab a supplement before meals. So there are all sorts of things that you can have personalized, but it's just think about that, having something monogrammed or personalized as a gift or a gift to yourself. You cannot talk about the epitome of luxury without talking about silk. I'm sure many of you have heard about LilySilk and may be familiar with their quality. They have a wide product range of what they call affordable investment pieces that includes clothing like blouses and bras, sleepwear, and bedding. But today I chose 2 very affordable options that will bring a little bit of the luxury of silk to you or to someone who is very special to you. I have this silk pillowcase in this beautiful dusty pink color and this really cute scrunchie and hair tie set. So it's 2 scrunchies and 2 hair ties. Sleeping on silk is good for your hair and skin, and LilySilk uses 100% mulberry silk, which is naturally breathable and hypoallergenic. It feels like bare skin, and their thickness ranges from 19 to 25% mown. Mulberry trees require less water than it takes to grow cotton and are not sprayed with pesticides. LilySilk's fabrics are certified by OEKO-TEX to be free of contaminants and toxins, and they have also committed to zero waste manufacturing. This pillowcase is soft, silky, and squishy, and it just feels so nice to cuddle up to this at night. And yes, you do feel a little bit of that luxury of silk on your face right before you go to fall asleep. Now, I have had my LilySilk scrunchie, this is it right here, for over a year, and I wear this every day. I have washed it in cold water by hand and let it air dry, and it's held up, it's still just as stretchy, the elastic hasn't worn out or anything like that. Their scrunchies are gentle on the hair, they don't pull or crimp. So this set in this white with little polka dot fabric is just I thought it was just really cute, and it's a great gift idea. LilySilk's pillowcases come in a variety of colors, as do the scrunchie sets, and the scrunchie sets also come in a variety of different designs. The pillowcases start around $27 and the scrunchies are around $26, but the folks over at LilySilk wanted you to have an additional coupon, so they gave me a coupon code. It's FRD12, and that'll get you 12% off your order. All the information will be in the description box below. The pillowcases come in a beautiful box, great packaging, and they make a wonderful gift alongside something like this. This is a homemade pillow mist. Now, if you've looked around for pillow mists, you know they are expensive, but they don't have to be, because you can make this at home for literally pennies. I use this glass spray bottle that you can buy at any health food store or in bulk at Amazon. Combine 1 ounce of distilled water and 1 ounce of vodka. You can also use witch hazel, but vodka evaporates faster when sprayed, and a fast evaporation keeps your fabrics from getting stained. I'm making a 1% essential oil dilution, which is good for everyday use. That's about 10 to 12 drops in 2 ounces of liquid. A good combo for sleep is the one I used, which is 4 drops of lavender, 3 drops of chamomile, and 3 drops of cedarwood. All of these essential oils have calming properties, but of course, feel free to use any combination of essential oils that you like. Aromatherapy can be a great way to improve your sleep quality, and I can tell you that I've used this mist for over a week and it works. It really works. Last night, for example, I slept straight through. I didn't wake up once, not to go to the bathroom or just to wake up, nothing. And that is highly unusual for me. And in the last week, that's the second time that that's happened. So, I have friends that swear by lavender pillow mists at night, and I highly recommend it for yourself because when it comes to self-care, getting good sleep is really important. So there's nothing like having a signature fragrance to make you feel special. And so I had to share my signature fragrance with you. And it's from Dossier, company you've heard about a lot here on this channel. And this is their Ambery Saffron, which is inspired by the Kirkjohn Baccarat Rouge 540. This, however, costs a fraction of a price of that. And yet it's still got the same fragrance profile. It has the same quality. It lasts. It just smells so good. It lasts all day. Now the Kirkjohn is known to last all day and all night. This one doesn't go quite that long, but this will take you from day into evening and you'll still smell beautiful. This is an unusual fragrance, but the notes are orange blossom and saffron at the top, jasmine and cedarwood in the middle, and then oak moss at the base. So it's really hard to put this in a category because it does have, it can be a floral with a little bit of warmth. It can be a warmer, spicy note with just a little bit of a fruity interest at the top. It can be a lot of different things, but what it is throughout is beautiful. And Dossier comes in really nice packaging, nice boxes. So of course that they make great gifts. And I hear that they carry candles now as well. So while shopping on Amazon, I found this beautiful Quartz Jade Roller and Gua Sha set. Now, I've talked about Gua Sha before. It's something I love to use. This little set also comes with this spatula for applying face masks. But yeah, you can use these what do you want to call them, modalities, tools, have been used for centuries in Asia, and women use them because they make their skin more beautiful. They do things like encourage blood flow. They can reduce puffiness. That's what is so nice about these. They can help you to work products into your skin if you're applying serums and oils. And they make a beautiful gift. I have a good friend who keeps this in the refrigerator, keeps her jade roller in the refrigerator, and uses it every morning under the eyes and in other areas of her face that are puffy because she tends to get puffy at night. I am a big proponent of the Gua Sha stone. I love to do this. This is so relaxing to do at the end of your skincare routine when you're applying oils. You can use the stone really on any part of your body. That if you have muscles that are tight, like maybe around here in this area, they can help to relax and relieve tension in the muscles. It's just a really nice product. And again, in this packaging, it makes a great gift. And it also is a really great gift to you to spend a little time. Like I said, I do the gua sha in the evenings because it really relaxes me. And that's what it's all about, right? Taking a little extra time to do something really good for yourself. So I'll link this. Like I said, I found it on Amazon, but it's a really cute little kit and makes a really nice gift. All right, and the number 6, the last item, and don't laugh at me, but it is a luxury heating pad. And look at the size of this. The dimensions on this are 12 by 24 inches. They call this king size. It has this little spongy thing on the inside where you can dampen this, put it in, and give yourself moist heat. This is great for relieving muscle pain, arthritis pain, cramping. And it's so big, you can literally wrap this around yourself. You know, like I love to wrap it around this way around my back. That's what I use it for mostly, to relieve pain in my back. But you can wrap it around your tummy. It'll comfort you if you can sleep on it. It has an automatic shut-off time, so whatever temperature setting you put it at, it'll shut off in 2 hours. And okay, maybe it doesn't make the greatest gift, but it sure makes a really good gift to yourself. And it's so nice to have something, this big that can really give you pain relief. And I've even wrapped this around my knee once when I kind of strained the muscles in my knee. I mean, this is just great. So highly recommend, from Sunbeam. I think I got it at Walmart. It's not that expensive, and I'll link it below. So that's it. Those are my 6 ideas for gifting or treating yourself to a little luxury without breaking the bank. And I want to thank LilySilk for partnering with me on this video. And if you want to check them out, all the info is below along with that coupon code. And remember, you deserve to have something special, to experience a little luxury, and to treat yourself like you're worth $1 million, because you are. And with the holidays coming up at these prices, you can afford to gift a little luxury too. So on that note, I am going to say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, then please consider subscribing. And until I see you in my next video, I'm wishing you a wonderful day, wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!